Hi friends, this is Infinix laptop. It has the issue of automatic shutdown. It shut down within few seconds because the fan is not going to rotate. See, this is the model of the laptop Infinix XL21. The laptop is going to turn off within few seconds because the fan is unable to rotate. The fan is totally stuck. Customer didn't use this laptop, they kept like without use because it is going to shut down after few seconds. See, the main intention of the video is the spare parts of this model. Infinix laptops models are very difficult to get the spare parts. We are getting the spare parts, so I am going to provide my contact number in this video. If you want, you can contact for spare parts and service, motherboard level service. This is old, this is new one. I am going to replace new fan. We are going to charge a reasonable price. Customer is very happy with our quotation price. Again, they are going to use this laptop. That is the big thing, because before 6 months they didn't use this laptop. They are also searched for a fan, but they didn't get these spare parts. Customers searched this fan in so many areas, but they didn't get this fan. But we are getting the spare parts of this Infinix laptop and some other models like an Honor laptops. Friends, if you want to motherboard level service or technical related videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, press the bell icon for next upcoming videos. Friends, if you want to motherboard level service and spare parts of any laptops, if you want, you can contact. I am going to provide my number. Friends, if you are interested in my videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, press the bell icon for next upcoming laptop and mobile technical related videos. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.